Yeah, and Gandhi understood that it required a lot more courage to be nonviolent than to be violent.
Oh, yeah.
Because violence, let's say it's a defense, like it's an action that you're taking physically towards another human being, whereas non-violence, you're letting your guard down, but you're still insisting on the change that you need to make.
But not with a violent way, which is
Yes.
interesting. It doesn't mean weak. It's
It doesn't
actually
mean
more
we.
courageous.
It requires more courage to be nonviolent and to take action.
Mm-hmm.
So that is where teaching, learning, practicing, cultivating these qualities comes in. That they're not going to be there just because we understand them to be the right way to do things. We're going to have to cultivate them. We're going to have to teach it to our children. We're going to have to, practice them continuously and learn by making mistakes. That's the only way we can do it.
So cultivating that love and compassion toward the enemy. I know for me, when I see something that upsets me, that I'm passionate about, the first instinct is have anger. And then I often wonder, like, okay, what do I do with that? I know this isn't helping. It's making me miserable to just stew in the anger. And then you could spend afternoon just trolling the internet or reading articles or watching the news and getting that anger. It's just really just hurting you. So it's recognizing, wait, this is not the right approach. So how would someone go from that place? Because we've all been there. We get mad at certain things that happen in the world, and we want to make a change. And I guess that anger triggers us into action, because if we weren't angry, we wouldn't take action.
Yeah.
So there's a gift in that, but it's about how to use it, but then transmute it into something.
Yeah, so it begins with self-inquiry. All the higher teachings begin this way, that you have to consider, why is this anger arising within me, and what does it mean?
What's threatening?
Right.
What is really going on?
So, and this is where a lot of people kind of make the mistake, and I've done it myself, right? That I think, well, if I ignore or suppress the anger, then I'll be acting in this spiritual way or a higher way. But that doesn't work. We have to acknowledge that, the anger is within me. It's definitely a part of my psyche, of my body, like Gandhi says, and it's part of me. It's actually arising within me.
Yeah,
And
it's like it's already there. Like no one can
Yeah.
put anger in you.
That's right. And that accepting responsibility for your own anger is the beginning of it, because then you're able to work with it in a sane way, instead of suppressing it and trying to present a spiritual, nonviolent face. That's not going to work. It's simply going to build up, and it's going to come out in other ways.
Or you might say, I'm angry. Oh, okay, I can't feel angry. I'm just going to put light around the planet and hold my intention for a beautiful world, and I don't need to, almost like I don't need to fight out there. So it sounds really nice, but you're not taking action, and it's about action and emotion.